find ballerinas ballet clothes, you won't find it. Click the clothes and you will find ballerinas clothes for the next challenge. Bye! You don't know the tung 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 sa horse head. This mad one is from Ninja. And this happy one is from Tung 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 Sahur. And this with the mustache one is Tung 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 Sahur Police. And this glasses one is from Tung 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 Doctor. Next, go to my next challenge. Bye. This water is from here. And this is from here, and this bat is from here, and this one is from here. Go to my next challenge. Bye! Let me just do this. Let me see carefully. I got right. See you to the next challenge. Bye! This is how to solve it. Click it when they set and relook. I'm done. Bye. For the next challenge. Bye. What I will get in the 2005 when I'm reborn. Get to jail and be a baby and got $1 million and another $1 million. I'm lucky, but into the two, and this I'm not lucky. Bye for the next challenge. Bye. This is how to solve this. First, blue, white, red. This is how to solve. See you in the next video. Bye-bye and challenge. You don't know how to solve this? Your thought is it hard? It's easy. Look. This is so easy. Go to the next challenge. Bye-bye. You don't know how to break this, or your thought like this. That's not right. Like, look. That's how is it. And this is the last minutes. Bye-bye, everyone.